Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two investing apps to help decide which of these investing apps can be a great and a better app for investing for you. So let's quickly dive into it. So before we get started, know that this video is based on user collective details. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about the eToro shines with its social trading features like letting users copy top investors and learn as they go. It also supports stocks, ETFs, crypto, forex in one platform, which make it ideal for those who like varieties. However, it comes with a higher spread and a small withdrawal fee, which may not suit casual investors. So talking about trading 212, on the other hand, is simpler, cheaper, and offering a commission-free trading, fractional shares, and an intuitive interface, perfect for beginners. Yet it lacked the community and crypto depth of eToro. So in conclusion, eToro is still the best for active traders and learners, while trading 121 is great for low cost and straightforward investing. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review. You're welcome.